Welcome to LushLoom. Today, we're transforming this staircase into a luxurious and comfortable feature of the home with our premium stair carpet installation. In this video, we'll walk you through the full process, from preparation and precision cutting to the final elegant reveal, so you can see how our team delivers a flawless finish. Step 1. Preparing the stairs. Every successful installation begins with proper preparation. We start by removing any existing carpet or material, then thoroughly clean the surface. Each step is carefully inspected for cracks, damage, or uneven areas. If necessary, we level and smooth the base to create a strong foundation. This step ensures durability, perfect fitting, and long-lasting results. Step 2. Measuring and custom cutting. Once the stairs are ready, we move on to detailed measurements. Each tread and riser is measured individually to guarantee accuracy. Precision is extremely important, as even small errors can affect the final look. After measuring, the carpet is custom cut to match each step perfectly, ensuring clean edges and a seamless finish. Step 3. Professional installation. Now we begin the installation process. Starting from the top and working downward, we secure the carpet tightly using professional techniques and high-quality adhesive. Special attention is given to stair nosing, edges, and corners to avoid wrinkles or loose areas. The carpet is stretched and aligned carefully to achieve a smooth, elegant appearance that enhances both safety and comfort. Final reveal. The final result is a beautifully installed stair carpet that instantly elevates the space, adding warmth, softness, and a sophisticated touch to the home. Outro. At LushLoom, we combine premium materials with expert craftsmanship to deliver stair carpet installations that are durable, stylish, and built to last. If you're planning to upgrade your staircase or renovate your home, contact LushLoom today and experience quality you can trust.